Hey there, YouTube. It's Pokeunknown again, and this is my second part of my Sun and Moon Guardians Rising booster packs. And the last video I opened 8, and I will be opening my last 8 packs on this one. Okay, let's start. I'm still a bit surprised about the packs I pulled, the cards that I pulled in my last video. Wow, 4 good cards out of 8 packs. All right, this is for you guys. It's 4 from the back. All right. Now, Fire Energy, Sliggoo, Energy Lotto, Sableye, Nosepass, Wimpod, Goomy, Whalmer, Beldum, Reverse Hollow Sableye, and the Whale Lord regular rare. I think Whale Lord is one of my favorite Pokemon. It's basically the largest, and it can squeeze anything or squish anything, in my opinion. So, all right. Let's get on to the next one. Alright, this is for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got a Fairy Energy, Komala, Slowbro, Brooklet Hill, sorry. Slowpoke. Oh, we got both of them in this one. Cool. Wishy Washy, Nosepass, Wimpod, little Yarn Goomy. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Rare Politoed. Oh, dude. Oh my god. Dude, are you serious? In the last video, we pulled the full art. Look. Take a look at it. Wow, and this is crazy. Wow. This is ridiculous. Wow. What kind of luck am I having? This is crazy. Wow. Damn. You guys, like, I'm never this lucky. This is crazy. Wow. This is a first. Huh. Let me put that here. All right. Next pack. Huh. Yo, like, can this luck just keep on going? Come on. What else? What else is here for you guys? And Water Energy, Glalie. Oh, I love them too. Pretty badass. Watchhog, Weeping Bell, Helioptile, Beldum, Tentacool, Clefairy, Barboach. Oh, look. Reverse Hollow Glalie, and a regular rare Heliolisk. Put that here. Yeah, sorry. You just pulled that one. Alright, next pack. There's your code. An Electric Energy, And a Lowland Graveler. Altar of the Sun. Altar of the Moon. Wow. That's pretty, what a coincidence getting these two out of the same pack. Rock Ruff. Gumi. I swear I've gotten a Gumi, this cloth Gumi out of every pack now. Slowpoke. Kinda looks like my cat while he sleeps. Mudbray. Delibird taking his long break. Reverse Hollow Bellsprout. Ooh. A regular rare Lunala, but it's still a pretty sick artwork. Wings of the Moon. That's pretty awesome. Next pack. Here we go. A Grass Energy. Marini. Field Blower. Gothorita. Fletchling. And a Alolan Vulpix. And Gothita. This kind of reminds me of those old troll dolls with the little hair sticking out. Chansey. And a Petilil. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Rare Gothita. And the rare in the pack is a regular rare Whiscash. Not bad. I love getting these reverse hollow rares. Here's your code, guys. Okay. Got a Fire Energy. Watchhog. Multi-Switch. Komala. Banging on his drums. Chansey. Petilil. Helioptile. Tentacool. Stuffle. Reverse Hollow Field Blower. No! What? Dude, we pulled the third and the secret rare Sylveon GX. Oh my god. What? Dude. Yo. What is this? I only bought 16 packs. And I got all three. The regular one, the full art one, and then the secret rare full art one. Guys, comment down in the comment section below and tell me what you think about me pulling these three. Like, there is no way. This is ridiculous, guys. Come on. Wow. This is insane. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Down to the last two packs, but I mean, I hope I get something pretty epic out of these, because... Oh, you know what? It doesn't even matter, like... I'm already happy with what I got. Here's your code. 4. A Metal Energy. Energy Lotto. Machoke. Glalie. Bellsprout. Gligar. Alolan Geodude. Kinda looks weird. Pet Rat. A Litwick. reverse hollow Tentacruel, and the hollow rare Chandelure. Sorry, the focus is a little off, but that looks pretty sick. Wow, look at it shine. Shady move. Once during your turn, before your attack, you may move one damage counter from one Pokemon to another. Ah. And Super Singe. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now burnt. Take care of that one. The last final pack. Come on. One more goodie, come on. Here's your code. Energy, Darkness Energy, sorry. Energy Recycler, Tentacruel, a Choice Band, Phantom, Machop, Fletchling, a Alolan Vulpix, Gothita, my bad. Reverse Hollow Jangmo, oh. And the rare in the the rare in the pack is a Garbodor. Regular rare. Wow, guys, so like, I am so confused. In this second part of my video, we got the secret rare and the regular Sylveon GX. And in the last video, we got the full art. This is insane. And I got this little goodie. I love that card. Looks pretty legit. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the free codes that I had to offer, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and subscribe. I got more packs coming on the way, and I hope that you all enjoy my openings. Thank you so much, and have a pleasant day. Bye.